How to get your Payoneer account approved and verified. Go to the official Payoneer website and log in using your username and password. After logging in, look at the top right corner for your profile icon and click on it. In the menu that pops up, find and click on Settings. Within the settings, you'll see an option called Verification Center. Click on that. In the Verification Center, you'll find a button that says Submit. Click it to start the verification process. Take a moment to read the conditions. Then, choose the document you want to use for verification, like your national ID. You can either drag and drop your document or browse your computer files to upload it. Before you submit, double-check to make sure you've uploaded the correct document and all the info is accurate. Click the Submit button to send your verification request to Payoneer. Now, the waiting game begins. Payoneer will review your document, and this might take some time. Once your document gets approved, your Payoneer account will be automatically verified. You'll get a notification confirming this. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide on how to get your Payoneer account approved and verified. Following these steps diligently ensures a smooth verification process. Now you're one step closer to unleashing the full potential of your Payoneer account. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more valuable tips. Until next time, happy banking!